Welcome. 7th Standard Science, Part 1, Chapter 3, Heat. As per 2025-2026 Karnataka State Board Syllabus, exercises. Question number 1. State similarities and differences between the laboratory thermometer and the clinical thermometer. Similarities. First one, both are used to measure temperature. Second, both contain mercury in traditional ones enclosed in a glass tube. Third, both have a capillary tube through which mercury moves. Fourth one, both are marked with the temperature scale, degree Celsius or sometimes Fahrenheit. Feature differences between the clinical thermometer and laboratory thermometer. Purpose measures human body temperature. Laboratory thermometer measures temperature of various substances in lab experiments. Temperature range. Clinical thermometer, narrow range 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. Wide range -10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. Sometimes more. Kink. Clinical thermometer has a kink in the capillary tube to prevent mercury from falling back quickly. In laboratory thermometer, no kink. Accuracy need. Practice in small range suitable for human body. Laboratory thermometer accurate across a wide range for experiments. Usage placed under tongue, armpit, etc. Kept upright in liquids, never in direct human contact. Question number 2. Give two examples each of the conductors and insulators of heat. Conductors of heat allow heat to pass through easily. That is, example 1 copper, 2 aluminum. Insulators of heat do not allow heat to pass through easily. 1 wood, 2 plastic. Metals are generally good conductors, while materials like wood, rubber, cloth, or plastic are good insulators. Question number 3. Fill in the blanks. A. The hotness of an object is determined by its temperature. B. Temperature of boiling water cannot be measured by a clinical thermometer. C. Temperature is measured in degrees Celsius. D. No medium is required for transfer of heat by the process of radiation. E. The cold steel spoon is dipped in a cup of hot milk, heat is transferred to its other end by the process of conduction. F. Clothes of dark colors absorb more heat better than clothes of light colors. Question number 4. Match the following. 1. Land breeze blows during night. Second one, sea breeze blows during the day. Third one, dark colored clothes are preferred during B. Winter. Fourth one, light colored clothes are preferred during A. Summer. Question number 5. Discuss why wearing more layers of clothing during winter keeps us warmer than wearing just one thick piece of clothing. Wearing many thin layers of clothing in winter keeps us warmer than wearing a single thick piece of clothing because 1. Air trapping. Air gets trapped between the different layers. Air is a poor conductor of heat, good insulator. So it prevents our body heat from escaping. 2. Better insulation. Several layers provide multiple barriers, reducing the loss of heat to the surrounding compared to just one thick layer. Third one, flexibility. Layers can be adjusted, added, or removed according to how cold or warm you feel, which is not possible with one thick piece. So, it is not only the thickness of the clothes, but the layers of trapped air that keep us warmer. Question number 6. Look at the figure 3.13. Mark where the heat is being transferred by conduction by convection, and by radiation. Heat transfer in lab setup, the type of heat transfer, conduction, what it happens, where it happens from the wire gauge to the metal container. Heat travels through the solid material, so the frame heats the wire gauge, which conducts the heat to the metal container. Convection. Inside the water in the container. Heated water at the bottom rises, colored water sinks, creating a circular flow that spreads the heat throughout the liquid. Radiation from the Bunsen burner flame to the container. Heat is transferred directly through infrared rays from the flame to the container even without touching it. Question number 7. In place of hot climate, it is advised that the outer walls of the houses be painted white. Explain. In hot climates, it is advised to paint the outer walls of the houses white because white surfaces reflect most of the sunlight instead of absorbing it. Dark colors absorb more heat, making the walls hotter and increasing the inside temperature of the house. By reflecting sunlight, white paint helps keep the walls and interior cooler. Thus, painting houses white reduces heat absorption and makes living inside more comfortable in hot climates. Eighth one. 1 liter of water at 30 degrees Celsius is mixed with 1 liter of water at 50 degrees Celsius. The temperature of mixture will be A 80 degrees Celsius, B more than 50 degrees Celsius but less than 80 degrees Celsius. Option C 20 degrees Celsius. Option D between 30 degrees Celsius and 50 degrees Celsius. Answer is between 30 degrees Celsius and 50 degrees Celsius. How will see? We have 1 liter of water at 30 degrees Celsius and 1 liter of water at 50 degrees Celsius. Since both the quantities are equal and both are water, same substance, same specific heat capacity. The final temperature will just be the average of the two temperatures, which is final temperature is 30 plus 50 divided by 2, that is 80 by 2, that is 40 degrees Celsius. So the mixture temperature is 40 degrees Celsius, that lies between 30 to 50 degrees. That falls under the option D, that is between 30 degrees Celsius and 50 degrees Celsius. Question number 9. An iron ball at 40 degrees Celsius is dropped in a mug containing water at 40 degrees Celsius. The heat will A. Flow from iron ball to water. Option B. Not flow from iron ball to water or from water to iron ball. C. Flow from water to iron ball. D. Increase the temperature of both. Answer is option B. Not flow from iron ball because this is also 40 degrees Celsius. Water is also 40 degrees Celsius. Why it flows? Heat always flow from a body at the higher temperature to the lower temperature. Here both the iron ball and the water are at the same temperature. Since there is no temperature difference, there will be no heat flow. Correct answer is option B, not flow from iron ball to the water or from water to the iron ball. 10. A wooden spoon is dipped in a cup of ice cream. Its other end. A. Becomes cooled by the process of conduction. B. Becomes cooled by the process of convection. C. Becomes cooled by the process of radiation. D. Does not become cold. Heat transfer happens from warmer parts to the colder parts. So, conduction in solids. A wooden spoon is a poor conductor of heat. When one end is in ice cream, very little heat flows along the spoon. The other end barely feels cold. Correct answer is D, does not become cold. 11. Stainless steel pans are usually provided with the copper bottoms. The reason for this could be that A. Copper bottom makes the pan more durable. No. B. Such pans appear colorful. No, not if this is not right answer. C. Copper is a better conductor of heat than the stainless steel. This is correct option. D. Copper is easier to clean than the stainless steel. No. Stainless steel is strong and durable, but a poor conductor of heat. Copper is an excellent conductor of heat, much better than stainless steel. Adding a copper bottom allows the pan to heat more evenly and quickly, improving cooking efficiency. Correct answer. C. copper is a better conductor of heat than stainless steel. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, and save the playlist. Thank you very much. Bye bye.